Hello. So today we're going to be doing a full face of makeup using my current beauty favorites. You've probably seen these on my Instagram, or I might have talked about them in past favorites, but I just need to get ready for the day, so I'm just going to be doing this. Alright, so before you get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave, give this video a big thumbs up, and then you can hit the notification bell so that you are actually reminded that I uploaded, because my schedule is all over the place. And yeah, follow me on my makeup related Instagram, all this stuff, always down below. Let's dive right in. Alright, so I already prepped my face because I filmed an Instagram video. So we're just gonna really just actually go right in. So I've been loving this Kokie Be Bright concealer lately, and as you may know, I have not been wearing foundation too much. So I have recently gotten back into two foundations, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte and the CC Cream by It Cosmetics, and I've been mixing those for the past couple of days but today I'm just gonna wear some concealer around my house basically, in the grocery store. But yeah, I've been really liking this one. I think it does a nice job, and it isn't super cakey or full coverage, and that's just what I want. My skin's reacting to something I used earlier because there's some bumps on my forehead. I don't know if you can see them, but I filmed two Instagram videos, and one was basically a full-on face of makeup, really heavy makeup, and then I took all of that off with some skincare, and now my forehead looks weird. So I did use the Kylie Jenner the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, and that was the first time I've ever used it, so I don't know if it's that or what. But okay, so now we are all concealed. I have to correct my hip. Okay. So I am going to throw on, obviously, my Charlotte Tilbury, because this is what I do almost every day. Pretty much every day. Oh, and one of my favorites has been this little makeup sponge. I think it's by Real Techniques. I don't remember, actually. We got it in BoxyCharm, but it came with a bigger one too. I've just been using this smaller one for the past couple days. So, alright, that is that. I don't think I'm gonna bronze. Oh yeah, maybe I will. So I've been using this Pixi palette that they sent over. It's like a face palette, and I've been using some of them as bronzers. So I guess we're just gonna take just a mixture of these two right here and bronze my skin. The only part I don't like about this palette is that it doesn't have a mirror. And I just wish palettes would just always come with mirrors, because it just makes it easier, you know? Just going light with the bronzing, just light with the makeup today. And then I'm going to put on some of this blush. This is the Ilia blush. I got in the Sephora Favorites. I will link the Sephora Favorites thing if it's still available, because it's so good. Just for this blush alone, you get four other things, and I think two of them are full size. So this is the shade Before Today, and let's see, let's just blend this out with this kind of looser packed, but it is kind of a shinier blush, if you can see that glow. And then I'm going to go over top with that with the Space Case It's Not Me, It's My Sign blush. I am just going to take the same brush I just used. And this one's really pretty, and it's a little bit pinky. I've just been really into blush lately. Now let's go into this Persona Cosmetics palette. I used this all last week. It's such a good palette. It's perfect for brown eyes. It's specifically made for brown eyes. And I know they are coming back with it on September 9th. I posted a picture on Instagram, and I was just like, I'm truly sad because I can't find this palette anywhere. And everyone, and even the brand, was like, it's coming back, it's coming back. I'm like, oh my god, I didn't know. They're just redoing the packaging. So I don't think it's going to be like a formula change. They're just redoing the packaging so that it matches the Identity 2 palette. This is the Identity 1 palette. If I didn't say that, I feel like I didn't. By Persona Cosmetics. So yeah, you can look out for that on September the 9th. It'll be coming back. Like my eyes are like patchy today. When I filmed earlier, I feel like everything was blending really badly. And then I am going to go in with this Pris Metal by J-Cat Beauty. It's so pretty. Like, just, it's so gorgeous. And I'm going to just take my finger and put that right square on my eye. It's such a gorgeous chrome eyeshadow. Like, it's so good for every day, but then it can also absolutely like spice up any look, really. Okay. And then I don't think I told you the shade name, but this one is Chrome Galaxy, and I use this quite a bit. I do really like that one. And we're just going to do some brows. So brows, I've really just only been using this Joa brow pencil lately. It's so good. I've talked about it a bunch of times, but it's super affordable. I think it's like under $10 or under $12. So if you're looking for a Brow Wiz dupe from the drugstore, I got you. Okay, then I'm going to go in with this Benefit 24-hour brow setter. This is so nice. I really like this. And I'm not a huge fan of brow gels. Typically, like, I could live without a brow gel. This one's really nice. What else? What else? Mascara. I'm going to just go in with the Marc Jacobs mascara. This is so nice. I've talked about this before. But it makes my lashes just so voluminous. And I never curl my lashes. It's like a beauty like rule I don't follow, is curling your lashes. Personally, I just don't really need them to be curled, so it's kind of just dependent on your own lashes if you curl them or not, but typically I don't need them curled unless I'm wearing falsies, and I'll curl them both together. I got some mascara on the top of my lid, so I'm just going to brush that away. This, like, eye look is something. No. Just really liking it. And then I am going to go back in with the Pixi Palette and grab one of these highlighters. I think I've used the pink one, so I'm just going to take the gold one. And what else? I think I'm just going to set my face just a teeny bit. Nothing crazy. But I feel like it's going to be hot today, so just a little. Just a little set. Let's see, what's a lippy favorite? I mean, I just feel like the only lippy I've really been wearing is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, so. And I think, is that it? I think that's it. So that's my super simple favorites makeup. This is like a look I would wear to work or any day, really. Yeah, so that's it. So here's the end of the video. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!